Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, of course, because in order to show you the actual difference, so actual evidence that the reset option will work. So right now all we have to do is to simply enter the settings, which are in this panel at the very top. Let's tap on it, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the reset settings option. So let's tap on it, and here just tap on reset to confirm. And as you can see, we just immediately got back to the camera and we cannot see the grid lines, which means that for sure we just reset all camera settings. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera settings in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.